Hello. Today we are reviewing Connector, the app by Content Marketer that automatically schedules your outreach emails. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to tell you the pros and cons, what you can expect from this, how it can help you, how it can get you more responses on your outreach, and how it can just make the whole process easier. I'm also going to reveal some of the mistakes people make with this and some of the cons that are with the program as of 2016, almost April. So it has a great website and it tells you everything it does. But let's just jump right in because you probably already know that. So we're going to start off and I'm going to show you how it works. So you start here and I've already written YouTube just for you, my faithful viewer. Then you enter your emails. So we'll do YouTube viewer Joe. If your name's, let's do Nick. I think your name is Nick. Nick YouTube at gmail.com. Okay, great. And then if we want to add more people, Cedric. Said.yersh at gmail. Alright, there we go. Now I've got this. I've got first and last name already done. It's that easy. And now I really like this part. So you get to jump right into the templates. So let's just say I just want to introduce myself. So love your energy. I've been reading your blog post, category 1, category 2. So let's say my favorite categories are dating and mindfulness. Cedric and that's my email. /connector. Alright, so I put everything in. You can BBC people, you can add links. It's all pretty good. You can basically, hey YouTuber. So then you send it. And I love this part where it just automatically chooses the best time for you to send. I don't know why I'd want to send there. You can put 3 follow-up emails that automatically send. That is so useful. Unbelievably useful. This is by far my favorite feature because it's really annoying in Gmail to schedule emails. So with this, you're golden right away. So you go, click next, and then it will be sent. It's literally takes 2 minutes and you've got your whole campaign done with you. So here are some previous campaigns that I've actually done for my Pocket Square business. So I sent 10 emails, got 9 open, 9 clicks, 5 replies. It'll tell you who replied to you. It'll say who opened your message and clicked your link. And so basically if someone opened my message here, everybody basically, you opened it, you clicked it, and then some of them will respond. So that's pretty cool. It tells you the links, tells you what was sent. Very useful. Another one right here that I sent, I got 1 response, but I got 2 clicks from these 2 guys. And I have 2 follow-ups scheduled with the other people. So that will be really interesting. And I found this out through AppSumo. They had a lifetime $25 deal, and it got really good reviews. So like 14, 4.5 stars. They sold over 2,000 of these. And people just really liked it. So I have to agree, it's pretty sick. This is a pretty much proven email templates, email scheduling, easy email follow-up, set it and forget it. So that's what it is. It's not that. That's about it. That's all there is to it. It's really good for outreach. It's just not having to worry about following up with someone is so useful, and having it automated just feels like magic. So I really recommend contentmarketer.io. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to them ASAP for you. All right, thank you.